Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another unboxing video for you, but I am actually kind of scared. This is a very big box. Alright guys, so I have a confession to make. I have been using in the studio really a lot of various makeup cases, makeup bags. I have a lot of those acrylic holders and organizers, and things just kind of got overwhelmed, and I don't like a lot of clutter. So I needed to figure out a way to really get things kind of handled and situated and just have a more minimalist look. I know, for example, like I have a lot of brushes. I am a brush queen. I love brushes. Love brushes. But I've been using canisters, and you know, I have makeup brush holders, and I've even used some of like my wedding decor, which was sweet, but I don't really want to use it for my makeup brushes. You know, that's something more sentimental for me. I contain in one place to really make myself more efficient and keep everything together and nice and presentable, and just if I need to go and go. So I found this gorgeous beast that we're gonna open up right now. I want you guys to be able to see what on earth we are going to unbox. I really should have cracked open the labels, cracked open the tape before I started recording. What do I even have to open anything with? I really need some scissors in here. I need a box cutter. Just a pretty green box cutter that I can use specifically for things like this. Amazon wish list. Here we go. Guys, maybe. Somebody go online to my Amazon wish list and see how much a freaking green box cutter would be for like 1-day shipping, please. Bestie pen. Quick, how many artists does it take to open up this box? Apparently just one very determined one. We have this very thick styrofoam, and actually I have no idea how this is gonna open up. It was just lined with styrofoam, but the actual product itself is still wrapped in a nice baggie. Picking up a 4-in-1 makeup case. 4-in-1. Got the latches, and it does lock on the top, which was another big thing for me. Top opens, and then we do have 2 drawers here on each side. The drawers, of course, do pull. You see here, I have 2 tiers. These are very nicely lined, and of course, I have the keys on the inside and several sets of keys. And again, we have the 2-tier. And again, we have the 2-tier set of boxes on this side as well. I can detach each of these layers. So here is again the top layer, and it does of course have the extra safety security belt for the handle when the handle is fully extended. View of my 2 tiers that are fully extendable on each side. Box there. So it is very roomy. We have here a little a littler section, but it does have these nice dividers on the inside. So if you have things that maybe might leak, or you want to make sure it's secured in place, you can go ahead and secure it there. These are actually removable dividers, so I can customize the space in between or the layout of this section. You actually don't want any of the organizers in there, or maybe I want to use this organizer for my desk. It's actually removable. And then we have the nice little box. Leave us with a nice lined case here. So handy, right? The second layer. Another one of the boxes. So it is possible to have the one with the dividers inside, or maybe if I want to move the dividers to the 3rd layer, we can do that as well. But we could have one with dividers, one without, so you don't have to choose between the 2, or we can have both without. That works too. 2nd and 3rd layers are identical. And lastly, we do have this entire bottom portion. So it is pretty deep, as you can see. It's almost about my arm length. Have the handle, which does extend, so it will roll. And the only part of the assembly I actually have to put together and actually just clip into place, not even really assemble, I just have to put the wheels on. It is completely empty. It is just a big storage space. And that's where I personally had a very hard time deciding what trolley to get, because me, when I go to assignments, I don't do hair. At this time, that's not my forte. Kudos to you if that's something you want to do. I don't have a desire to really do so on other people. I don't work with hair. I work with the makeup. So I didn't know what on earth would go in this section of my box without it really being a wasted space. So I held off on this purchase for a while, and I finally was browsing YouTube and I ended up running across one person's video, and I wish I would have saved it, I really do. But she ended up putting her wigs and her mannequin heads in here. And I thought that was brilliant, because right now my wigs are, I mean, they're up, they're put away, but I don't really have a designated space for them, and I am someone who does like to be organized. So I thought, perfect storage idea for my wigs. I had to get a new wig. Hi, duh. Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. How are ya? Okay, maybe blondes do have more fun, I don't know. Girls, they wanna have fun. Girls, they wanna dance. I'm not gonna show you that I am going to put the wig inside so you guys can get an idea of how much space is actually in there. Have some rather obscure sized eyeshadow palettes that I also thought about putting in there. I do have, of course, the Jeffree Star mini bundle collection from the Blue Blood. That's gonna go in this big bottom portion here. I have one of my brush sets that's rolled up. We're gonna toss that in there. The wig's already in there. I know some of you love them, some of you hate them. I'm not commenting on anything, but I do have the Morphe James Charles collaboration palette, which, as you can see, is rather large. That is also going to go in here. And then just a few, like, here's a thicker eyeshadow palette from Jeffree Star, the Blood Sugar, and then again the Alien palette, which has this more round sort of shape to it. That's gonna go in there. Now, not even organizing it, just tossing those items in there. Really, I still have a ton of room here at the bottom. I want to show you guys. So look, it only took up a little bit of space. Oh, see, they're starting to shift. And look, if I actually push them down and into the corner, I still have all of this space left to go. I can't wait to just get this space organized, put things away in their proper final places, we hope, and really just become that much more efficient. So if you guys like this unboxing video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next time. Take care and bye-bye.